Create a drop-down list in Excel to allow people to pick an item from a list. In a new worksheet, type the items you want to appear in your drop-down list. Now select where you want the drop-down list to appear. Select Data, Data Validation. Under Allow, choose List. Select the Source button. Select the items that you want to appear in the drop-down list. Press Enter and select OK. Now your drop-down list will work. That's it.